You're an asshole. I saw you yesterday. You came up to me and started talking about sex, dick, and pussy in front of these little girls, and I'm over here like, what is he doing? Talking about the nigga didn't bust. What's wrong with you? You're still cute. And when I hugged you, you smell the same all the time. You smell really good. Makes me want to take you and just rub you all over me. That'd be funny. I bet you're smiling right now. Smile harder. You should hit me up more. We can actually chill in your empty house. Bad Princess Flocka. Annalie! I don't really know your last name. Wow, I haven't seen you since 6th grade. And now it's 2 years ago. I miss you. Where did you go? I heard you went to the city. Ugh, what's so good about the city? It's so whack. So I was up at like 6 or 5 in the morning, and you were posting up statuses saying, how could he and stuff. What happened? How could you trust him? We should talk more, Annalie. You're so pretty. You used to be so shy. Not really. Forget it. You were like, you didn't really show your body, but now you do. Your body's like all over your page. Malik Anthony Ellington. You're cute, but annoying. And funny. We should talk more. And uvu more. Yes, uvu more. I miss you. I love you. You're chills until you start to brag. Then I just want to delete you. Next time you brag, I'm deleting you. Dead ass. Joking. Hit me up more though. Danielle Gosvick. Your eyes and voice are so pretty. I just want to take your voice. I love your voice. It's so pretty. It's like you're from New Jersey, the way you talk. I love the way they talk. And I love your eyes. They're so... Well, I don't know what color they are. They're just so pretty and nice to look at. We should chill again. Unless you're like mad at me or something. Oops. Do you and Tyra still hang out? Because she's always hanging out with that Jasmine girl, Santiago. It sucks when best friends separate, right, Angelica? You should hit me up, Danielle. I'm really chills once you get to know me. And I only lied to you that one time was because I thought you were going to tell everybody. If that's why you're mad at me. Next person. Brian Baruton. Hi. Hello. How are you? I gave you my number, but you never texted me. You're a very slow replier. It's so exhausting talking to you. I feel like I'm talking to myself. You should smile more. Show your body less. Smile more. Show your body less. Smile more. Show your body less. That would be nice. Your smile is alright looking. Mine is just gorgeous. We should talk more. And you should reply faster. Savannah Bunch. I feel like I know you from somewhere. I feel like I've seen you in Hampshire. I love your profile picture. That whole Barbie thing is cute. It's so cute. That'd be cool if it was like said Savannah or something. That'd be really cute. We should talk more. I'm chills. You're chills. That's what I call ride or die material. But I don't really have much to say about you. You're pretty though. Kathy Portillo or Portillo. Yo. Kathy, yo. I remember when we used to go to the rec and you were like in 5th grade and I was like in 6th or 7th. And your laugh is so like loud. Like I can tell who's laughing. It's Kathy. But it's cute, I guess. You used to be like so young, cute, and like kind of shy in a way. Like You just put people on blast. But now you're like pretty, still young, and you diss people more than you put people on blast, I guess. You're chill. I wonder if we have the same gym class. I have a lot of 8th graders in my freaking gym class. I think I'm in that special gym class. I don't think I failed gym. Alyssa Rosie Marie. I don't know you. Let's go check your profile page. Oh, this computer's being really slow. It hard as like a glass. It's broken easily, and when it's fixed, it's never as strong as it was before. That's not a status. You got that from somewhere. I'm joking. I'm joking. Oh, it's Alyssa. Wow, Alyssa, why'd you make a new one? Oh, I like your profile picture. You're so adorable. I love your face. Your face is so adorable looking. I'm glad we're friends now. Before we had so much beef. But it's cool being your friend. You're fun to talk to. We should chill one day if you want to. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. Jay Mowbray. Mabry, stop poking me. I think you're next. Wow, Les, I didn't know that was your profile. I'm over here dissing the girl out. I never seen her pictures. So, you're talking to me right now. Think you stopped because I stopped responding. Well, now you know why. Gabriel Roman. You look like a midget from your pictures. But you're cute. You look mad young though. We should talk more when you... This is our conversations. Hi. What's good? Oh, I have to go. I'll text you later. I hate combos like that. It's annoying. I feel so thrown away, I guess. You should hit me up more, like a real combo. Jay Mabry! Stop poking me. You know what that means when you poke somebody? That's like Facebook sex. And you keep on poking your Facebook dick inside my Facebook vagina. Gosh. You should text me. I think you just texted me. No. You should text me. I'll respond this time. You're gonna be my new flirt buddy in English. Aren't you happy? High five. Again. You didn't do it at all. You didn't high five me at all. Asshole. Justin Casames. I don't know you. I don't think I want to know you. You should get a profile picture because I delete people like you. Deadass. Nah, I'm just kidding. But if you don't have a profile picture by Friday, I'm deleting you. I'm being so serious right now. So, take pictures of yourself. Do anything. Take pictures of anything. I don't care. Just not a car, because I will definitely delete you. Good day. Last but not least, Jonathan Mendoza. Brother of Kathy Portillo. And also brother of Lito Portillo. Hi. So, you're that guy who took a piece of my heart and walked right out of my life? Come back now. Bring it back now. I want it now. I'm just joking. I miss you posting on my wall. Gave me something to live for. I'm joking. I deleted them anyway. Look at my hole in my sock. It's so big. I hate holes in my sock. My feet are so small. They're smaller than your face. You know how small they are? They're 3.5. Kids, I think? No. 3.5 women. Or boys. I don't know. I just know I'm a 3.5. Oh. I'm really short. We should chill. I'm so tiny looking. Still. want to end this. I'm so bored. Look at my puppy. Now I'm going to talk to all of you guys. So, yeah, this morning I took a video of me singing Unfaithful by Rihanna. Oh my god, that video was so terrible. I hate my voice so much. It's like you know how like little 5-year-olds sing and it's like all dull and everything? That was me. Or something dying and singing Unfaithful. It was embarrassing, and I accidentally posted it on Facebook and I started screaming. I was like, no! But I can rap. Oh, Ken, I can rap. You want to hear me rap? I can rap better than you. Where's Kenny? Mr. Snuffleball. Yes, I can rap, Ken. You want to hear me? This rap is so old. It was way before you were thought of. Yeah. Let me just find the lyrics to it. It's somewhere in here. You guys should all add me on Uvu. Yep, add me. It's called Incredibly Dash Dope Dash Chick Heart, comma, dot. While I look for my lyrics, Melissa, this is for you. You see that? This heart is meant for you. It's filled with Melissa love. Oni, I love your hair. Valeria, I love your smile. Cheyenne, I love your new hair. Not that it's a weave or anything, it's just, I think you dyed it. Oh, I found it. Okay, ready? Ready, Ken? Ready? Hold on. Oh, okay. Let me play it. Ready? Go. I want a double cheeseburger and hold the lettuce. Don't be front son, no seeds. I'm gonna be up in this drive through. Order for 2. I got a craving for number 9. Like my shoe. I need some chicken up in here. In this sizzle. For real, my nizzle. Extra salt on the brizzle. Dr. Pepper for your mother. Another for your brother. Double, super size. And don't forget your fries. Crispy. That used to be my favorite song. You like that, Ken? You like that? Hater. You probably hated like, psh, I'm into Rick Ross. Ugh. Okay, this is really long. I hope you guys watch it all, because this would be like a waste of my time. Bye. Kayla has much love for all of you. All of you. Say bye-bye, Tanner. Tanner, say bye. Say bye.